If your YouTube channel is growing and you want to see who's subscribed to your channel, this video will show you two methods for checking your YouTube subscribers using a mobile phone. This works exactly the same for both iPhone and Android devices. First, open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into your account. This is the most basic way to check your subscribers. Tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner, and it will take you to your profile page. Then tap on View Channel, and you should see a Subscribers section. When you tap on it, it will show you a list of people who have subscribed to your YouTube channel. If you don't see this option, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and update the YouTube app. Keep in mind that this list will not show all of your subscribers because YouTube only displays people who have their subscriptions set to public. If someone keeps their subscriptions private in their account settings, their name won't appear on your subscribers list even though they are still subscribed to your channel. If this method doesn't work for you, exit the YouTube app and open your web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Google Chrome, Safari, or any other browser. Just open the one you normally use. In the address bar, type studio.youtube.com. You might see a prompt asking you to open the YouTube Studio app, but we don't want to do that. We need the web version of YouTube Studio, so tap on Continue to Web instead. Make sure you're logged into the correct YouTube or Google account. If you're not, quickly log in using your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll see the desktop version of YouTube Studio on your phone. Go to the dashboard section. From there, zoom in if needed and look for the recent subscribers card. Tap on See All to open the full list of your recent subscribers. And that's it. That's how you check who's subscribed to your YouTube channel using your mobile phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple YouTube tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.